Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a while, I know. Students have been asking me why have I not been updating my channel, and I just want to apologize. Now that we are back at school full time, I don't have a lot of time for myself, so I'm just here to apologize for this. Simply, I don't have enough time in my day, because it takes a lot of work. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that having a YouTube channel, it takes a lot of time. It's very time consuming, and sometimes it can be even frustrating when you don't have the correct tools to help you with recording and various stuff like that. So I just want to say sorry, and here I am. I'm happy to say I posted a few videos because even when I'm at school, I do take some recordings with the hope that I'm going to upload it. But it has been so busy with first term exams and stuff like that. So I haven't had a chance for me to put it together. But finally, now we're on holidays, I'm able to upload various videos. You'll see the Independence one. You'll see one for my Advent retreat. You'll also see some work I've been doing whilst I've been at school. I have been restoring a statue for Our Lady of Fatima Parish in Newtown, and I thank God I was able to complete it through the intercession of our Blessed Mother, and Father was very happy with the results, so I'm happy about that. So I've done that restoration. That video is being uploaded, and I also did a statue for a convent. It was formerly a convent, but now it's St. Luke's Primary School in Point Michel, and it was their 100th anniversary, and they asked me and my husband to restore a statue that's been there for close to 100 years of our Blessed Mother, Our Lady of Lourdes. I did that too, and I uploaded that to my channel. Right now, what I wanted to show you was I've been commissioned by my sister, and she gave me this hat so that I could add a design to it. So I did some sketches. So I'm just going to flick through my sketchbook. And she decided on this design. I'm just going to flick it right over to the design that she wanted. So I had to put this design on the hat. And boys and girls, I'm just so happy to say that I have completed it, and there it is. There it is, boys and girls. All right. So I zoomed out my camera a little bit more so that you could see it better. So there we have it. Hat commissioned by With Love from Anis Designs, and I'll be putting her link how you can get her work. She has all sorts of designs, so check her out for Christmas. She has lovely Creole stuff, ethnic work, and also she does local stuff, which is really, 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 really cool stuff she has. So please support her on her work. She's also done some sponsoring for our retreat, Lenten retreat. She actually sponsored the sashes for the children to consecrate to the Sacred Heart and the Immaculate Heart of Mary, and Sacred Heart of Jesus and the Immaculate Heart of Mary. So yeah, it would be great if you could just check her out on Instagram. with love from Anis Designs, and just check her out and see what you can get, some lovely Christmas gifts to give to anybody that you love, to the people that you love, I should say. Yeah, so boys and girls, that's all I have for today, and I'm going to be working on an airbrush design, so yeah, I'll see you in a few more days. God bless. Bye bye for now.